What's your hobby? What's your hobby? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? How is the weather today? How is the weather today? Can you cook? Can you cook? What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Where do you want to travel next? Where do you want to travel next? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you like me or not? Do you like me or not? Have you ever eaten it before? Have you ever eaten it before? How do you get to work? How do you get to work? How long does it take? How long does it take? Will you go with me? Will you go with me? Did you buy it for yourself? Did you buy it for yourself? Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly?